Good morning, class 8. Today I will discuss about the reproductive system in males. Is it? So, chapter's name, this is reproductive system. Our chapter according to your syllabus, your book, it is the reproduction in animals, and this is the male reproductive system. So, first of all, I want to discuss about what is reproduction. That is the reproduction of any organism from the pre-existing one. This process is called as reproduction. And if it occurs with one parent only, so that is called as asexual reproduction. So asexual reproduction means there is no need of gamete formation or gamete. Only the part of the body will help to form a new organism. That is asexual reproduction. Suppose just for example budding, then spores, formation of spores, then in amoeba multiple fission, binary fission, and in eulothrix that is fragmentation, regeneration, all these things. Now sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means where it needs two sex cells, one is from male, another is from female body. So when these two cells will fuse together to form a single cell, because they are haploid, that means their chromosome number will be the half, those who are gamete, and after fertilization they will be the double, and these are known as diploid cells, and these diploid cells will continue the next generation. So when there is the formation of zygote, this zygote will help to grow into an organism. Now where there is fertilization takes place and when it takes place, that is a different in the different animals, but fusion of male and female gametes is called as fertilization, and after fertilization the product is called as zygote. So any animal, small animal, bigger animal like elephant, small animal like an ant, everyone, they start their life cycle from the single cell. This is called as zygote. Now when this is the male reproductive system, that means how the male can produce the male gamete. Children, in a male body there are these reproductive organs present in it. Testes, if it is written I, then it is singular. If it is written E, then plural. TES, TIS, singular. TES, TES, plural. So testes, then from the testes one duct will arise, that is called as vas deferens or sperm duct also. Just children, you studied about the kidney in excretory system, kidney, and from the kidney there will be the ureter. Same thing here also, this is the testes, and from the testes the duct will arise which goes outside, that is the vas deferens. Then epididymis, here it is labeled epididymis. Then seminal vesicle, prostate glands, and Cowper's gland. These three are the accessory glands which help them to produce sperm and to flow it or to move from one body to another body. So children, these three have some different fluids. Okay, I will discuss later on. Now come to the structure of the testes. Testes is a oval shaped body. It is present outside the body, folded by a skin or a muscular sac-like structure is called as scrotum. Why it is present outside the body? Because the production of sperm will takes place 2 to 3 degree less temperature rather than the body temperature. If our body temperature in Celsius or centigrade it is 37 degrees Celsius, then sperm will produce below 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less than it. That means 34 or 35 degree. That's why this scrotum is outside to the body. One exceptional, please children, class 8, you can study it, you can learn it, you know it according to the GK. Only the elephant is there, those who do not have scrotum outside the body, yet it is mammal. Now, this testis is divided into few lobes. In these lobes, there are coiled, twisted tubules are there. Maybe children it is not in your book, but please listen it. Coiled tubules are there. These are known as seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules only help to produce the sperm. From these seminiferous tubule only cells will grow and they will mature in the form of sperm. So this is the area where the sperms can produce. And then all these ducts are coming outside. Here, just outside here it is black in color. So I have not labeled here. This is known as vasa efferentia. Let it be. Vasa efferentia, just suppose you have some letouts which are going from your room, and then from all the rooms one big letout will go to the outside or to the municipal area. So like that vasa efferentia is there, not one, plural in number. And then from the vasa efferentia these will come to the epididymis. All the sperms will reach to the epididymis. In your book it is given only the store the sperms, but it is not only stores, it stores, here I have written, its function is to store sperms till the maturity. Till the maturity will not get the sperms, till then it will be stored in the epididymis. So during maturity what they want to get it? First and foremost they become motile or become movable. That means according to figure that sperm should get some tail, and then after getting maturity this is the head, this is the middle part, this is the tail part of the epididymis, and then all the tubules will be joined, then they will form a single tube, that is vas deferens, and from the vas deferens all the sperms will pass out from the testis, goes to body. In that body, in the part of the body, there will be the secretions of seminal fluid, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and corpus gland. All these three glands produce some fluid. Altogether they will form a, that is sperms gone from this vas deferens, and all these secretions will be secreted in a large amount. Then they will form a collective fluid that is called as semen. So semen is the mixture of sperm and secretions of all three glands, which is a male part of male reproductive organ, cells are present in it, and in this way it will help to preparation, help to prepare or help in the preparation of the sperms, and then it can pass out from the body through the penis. So this is the male reproductive system that is found in the male body, human body. And children, one diagram I have to draw, that is the diagram of sperm. Simply I am drawing here, this is the cell body, and here cap cap-like structure as we have nails on our tip of the finger. So this is also have cap-like structure. This is acrosome, and from the next to it, the tubule will become smaller, and then this is the last part of the sperm, that is the tail. So when they are stored in the epididymis, at there they get the proper movability or motility of the sperm, because the tails will be formed at that place. So, and this is area, it is called as mitochondria. Children, you know mitochondria is to be said as powerhouse of the cell. Here also they have mitochondria, which gives energy to the sperm, and this is the cap, that is called as acrosome, and this is the nucleus. So acrosome has a main function. Just children, you studied about the root tip. Root tip will go down to the soil and will make the passage to absorb water. Here also acrosome will try to, or it can insert, it can pass, it can go, or it can send the nucleus or the male nucleus into the ovum of the female body, and it will secrete some enzymes. Acrosome will secrete some enzymes. Due to that, it can enter into the female ovum. So this is the structure of the sperm, and this is the function of the scrotum. Here it is written, it holds testes outside the body to maintain the temperature. Epididymis I told, and these are the organs present in human male body. So children, it's enough. Thank you. God bless you.